In the future, our focus is on navigating ethically and securely while ensuring company growth aligns with regulations. Data security is top priority with robust measures against cyber threats.
Exciting opportunities lie ahead for us to enrich the customer experience and cultivate enduring relationships. Our dedication is unwavering in delivering unmatched support and utilizing customer insights to fuel ongoing enhancement.
We are committed to streamlining our operations and driving enhanced efficiency across the organization by strategically leveraging emerging technologies such as AI and machine learning. We plan to optimize our processes and workflows.
Compliance is key to success, building trust and reputation for exciting opportunities in sales, marketing, and product development.
By prioritizing customer feedback and embracing a culture of continuous improvement, we aim to set new standards in customer satisfaction and loyalty.
This will enable us to boost productivity, reduce costs, and ultimately deliver exceptional value to our customers.